In a neutralization reaction, an acid reacts with a base. When an acid reacts with a base, the property of an acid and also the property of a base is lost, and they give rise to product salt and water. And this salt is not the salt that we use in our day-to-day life. It is the product formed out of the reaction between an acid and a base. So, a neutralization reaction is a reaction in which an acid reacts with a base, where the property of an acid and the base is neutralized to form salt and water. The second point regarding neutralization reaction is, in a neutralization reaction, heat is evolved, which means when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide in a test tube, when you touch the test tube, you can feel a slight heat in it. Example, hydrochloric acid, we normally write it as HCl, and sodium hydroxide, we write it as NaOH. HCl is hydrochloric acid and NaOH is sodium hydroxide. When both of them react together, they form NaCl, which is called sodium chloride, plus H2O, that you all know it is water. And in this reaction, heat is evolved. So this is neutralization reaction. Neutralization in everyday life. 4 cases are considered in the textbook. In that first one, indigestion. We know that hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach, which helps the digestion of the food. But too much of acid can cause stomach pain. In order to neutralize the excess acid present in the stomach, we use milk of magnesia, which is a base, and it is available in the form of pink colored tablets or solution. Second case is ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects formic acid into our body, because of which we have an itching effect. In order to neutralize the acid injected by the ant, we rub with sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, or we use calamine solution. Sodium bicarbonate is a base and calamine solution contains zinc carbonate, which is again a base. Either sodium bicarbonate or calamine solution can be used to neutralize the ant bite or the itching effect caused by formic acid. Third case is soil treatment. In order to increase the yield of the crop, farmers use different types of fertilizers. The chemical fertilizers used by the farmers contain acidic substances in them. Too much of acid or too much of base is not good for the growth of a plant. In order to neutralize the excess acid, quicklime or calcium hydroxide or slaked lime or calcium hydroxide are used. If the soil is too basic, it is neutralized by adding organic matter. Fourth case is factory waste. Factory waste contain acidic substances, which when released into rivers can kill the organisms living in it. So in order to neutralize the excess acid present in the factory waste, it is treated with basic substances.